So people who are getting married, especially the new brides, they get so stressed and they message me a lot asking me what makeup should I buy, what should be in my kit, and to give a few tips. So today I'm going to show newlywed bridal makeup. So this is for the girls who just got married, and if you want to go to different functions, small functions just for dinners and all. A lot of people invite us, I know, after we get married. So this is for that, and I will also give you a few tips. So let's start. So first thing is foundation. It's really important to get a very good foundation, and depending on your skin type as well. So whenever you're going for foundation shopping, make sure you apply foundation here, and then you'll get to know the color, so which matches you the best. Now we'll start with applying foundation. So the foundation that I'll be using today is by Forever52. I'm just going to take a little bit of foundation. Guys, I've already moisturized my face before applying the foundation. So you can apply your foundation with a makeup brush or also a sponge like that. Whatever makes you comfortable and makes you, easy, makes it easy for y'all. So foundation done. First thing that you'll keep in your kit is foundation and a brush or a sponge. Now next thing is to get an eyeshadow palette which has all colors, especially like neutral, and which also has glitter. So for that, this palette is the best. So this is the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. It has all these beautiful shades, and it also has glitter, so that'll be easier for y'all if you're going for a party or a wedding for y'all to attend. So today I'm just doing like a simple look for a dinner or something, or maybe like a puja if you want to go. So I have a little bit of pink on my kurta. This is yellow and pink. So I have this pink shade here, so that's why I'm going to use this color. This is shimmery pink, so that you don't have to use pink and then blend it with other shimmers. This is really simple. Just take this color, apply it on your eyelids. Now I'm going to take this shade which is slightly darker than this one. This is only for my inner corners. So once I applied my eyeshadow, I also wore my contacts. Now it's time to apply my eyeliner, and for that I'll be using this Makeup Revolution Slick Flick. So for all you new brides who don't know to apply makeup that well, this is really simple to it's like a sketch pen, so it becomes really easy to apply your eyeliner. So I'm just going to go from here to here. So eyeliner done. I did like a small wing. If you're not comfortable, you can just draw a thin line, that's all. Time to apply mascara now, and the mascara I'll be using is by Urban Decay. This is the Perversion mascara. So we're done with eyes now. We just kept it really simple. Now time to do our brows, and for that, this is my favorite pencil. This is a Makeup Revolution eyebrow pencil. Done with my brows. This is really simple to apply, and also it has this brush, so this is also a must have in your kit. Now guys, it's time to conceal my under eyes. Especially new brides, you all don't have a lot of rest. I'm sure you don't get a lot of sleep also, because you just got married and there are so many functions. So it's important to conceal your under eyes, and for that I'll be using my Fenty Beauty concealer. So just apply very little concealer. And this is the concealer brush. So concealer done, time to apply my blush. This is the Makeup Revolution blush palette. So this is a really interesting palette. It has your blush, it has your highlighter and bronzer. So I'm going to apply the blush first. This also has a little bit of shimmer. So you all can get this kit because it has blush and highlighter and a bronzer. So I'm going to take the highlighter part and I'm going to highlight my nose. So that your skin looks nice and radiant. Here, Cupid's bow. this part, and also my brow bone. So now we've applied almost most of the products. It's time to apply powder so that all this stays in place. Especially people who have oily skin, this is a really important step. So take a powder. This is the Fit Me Maybelline powder. It's a loose powder. So these also come in different shades. Get something which is like according to your skin shade. So just take a little bit of powder under eyes. Now guys, it's time to apply lipstick. There are few shades that you have to keep in your kit. One is red, one is something like a pink tone, and a nude lipstick. These are 3 important lipsticks that you need to have in your kit. So I'm applying this pink shade. Always remember, if your eyes are simple, you can go for bold lips. So this is a nice shade. It's like a shocking pink, and because I have pink here, so I'm going to apply this lipstick. So if you don't want to apply red, this color is really good. So this is the LA matte lipstick, LA Girl matte lipstick, and the shade is, it's GLC 814 Bliss. It's an amazing color. So guys, I'm done with my makeup. Let me just tie my hair, wear some jhumkas and put some sindoor and come right back. So guys, I've tied my hair into a bun. I'm wearing these jhumkas, put a bindi, and of course my sindoor. So looking like a shadi shuda girl. And I hope you like this look. And to all the new brides out there, do try this and let me know in the comment section below if it was easy and you know all these tips worked for you. And I will see you soon guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.